Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm making lunch for Farrah and I, and I don't know what really to call it. And what I'm going to do is it's tuna fish inside of a hollow tomato, and we're going to put it under the broiler to melt the cheese. And you can use any cheese. I thought I had pepper jack cheese, but I didn't, so I'm going to just use a cheddar. And we're going to start off by making our tuna fish. We got just one can of tuna. And I have a poblano pepper, just a small piece. You could use a jalapeno pepper if you like, a green pepper if you like, or you can just leave them out. It's up to you. Make your tuna fish the way you like making tuna fish. You don't have to follow mine. It's just a guideline. I didn't have any relish, so I chopped up part of a pickle. And it was just like maybe a quarter of a pickle. And I didn't have any white onion or red onion, so I had a little bit of green onion left, and I just like chopped it up a little bit. We're gonna add that in there. Okay? And for our seasonings, we're going to put onion powder, about a half a teaspoon, and you know me and my onion powder. And I'm just going to grate some in. You can do this too with yours. If it's like this, you don't have to throw it out. Okay. And I'm putting in about a teaspoon of thyme. Some black pepper, good old pinch, and a small pinch of salt to help bring out some flavor. Okay, and then I'm going to put in a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. And you can use whatever mayonnaise you like, or the Miracle Whip stuff. It's whatever you like. Okay. I already hollowed out one tomato. You just take the insides and the seeds out. And a good tomato to use would be a Romana tomato, if you can get them really big. So I just had a couple of these in the refrigerator. Figure I better use them before I lose them. So we're just gonna cut around the top. And you gotta bust the core, okay? Gotta get that core out. You need to rip it out, and you can save this a little bit for maybe a salad later on. Feed it to your chickens. And then once we get this all put together, they're going to be going into under the broiler for just a few minutes, just to melt the cheese, okay? We're not going to cook them or anything. This is what we're going to do. And drain out the water, excess water out of them. Okay? Just like that. And then you're going to take your filling and you're going to fill her up. Okay? This is a nice little light lunch. You can always open up 2 cans if you prefer, and then you each have 2 tomatoes apiece. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to put our cheese over the top. Just like that. And then we're going to pop them in the underneath the broiler for a couple minutes. Guys, they're out of the oven. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley on top. And this, guys, is what we're having for lunch today. I'm really figure I'm going to call it a stuffed tomato lunch. Pretty quick. I think it's going to be yummy for the tummy. What do you guys think? Anyway, leave some comments down below what you would add or change, and what other flavors of cheese that you guys like. I also think besides pepper jack or cheddar, I would think maybe a Havarti cheese or maybe a Gouda would go good with these. What do you think? Leave comments down below. I love the interaction. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. See you soon.